My name is Steve Van Vleet. I'm the Regional Extension Specialist for Washington State University. And I've been with Washington State University now for 17 years. And what I wanted to really visit with you all today about is agriculture in the Ukraine and how we within the United States can give agriculture producers some support. With this horrible tragedy going on, the Ukrainian people are still willing we have to move forward, and they want to look at agriculture as their saving grace. And I feel we can help them when it comes to agriculture and supporting the small farms. In 2009, I started working with a company called Bridges out of the Ukraine. That company is headed by Lena and Vlad Dotsenko. Lena and Vlad got their PhD degrees at Penn State University here in the United States, and then of course moved back, started this agriculture company where the motto of the company is connecting with the rest of the world. Now in around 2010, I was able to actually go to the Ukraine and conduct some agriculture programs there. I have now been to the Ukraine over 10 times throughout 14 different oblasts in the Ukraine. So it's been a very, very educational. Of course, I've developed great relationships with a lot of different people. And I had a translator very early on when I went over there, a full-time translator. His name is Roman Granishin. And Roman is one now who used to be with Bridges, and he is actually with a group called Travelite. Travelite is the group that is able to support the growers right now that I'm working with on giving some financial support, some promotional support, those types of things for those small farmers in Ukraine. Since we all want to start to focus on the agriculture side of things, Roman is setting up an NGO, and we have several different websites. We also have different testimonials by people across the United States and Europe doing some of the videos just like I'm doing here today. And you can go onto their soil scientist, Neil Kinsey from Missouri, and a bunch of other people are going to be posting some of these different videos, really to get support for the small farmers. And a lot of that is going through Roman, through the Travelite organization. I have utter trust and respect for Roman. I know these funds, when they're getting to him, are going out to the different small farmers, because the small farmers provide 75 to 90% of the agriculture products domestically to the people there in the Ukraine. We're hopefully going to get some sponsors to support the small farmers within the Ukraine.